We want to know what your favorite muscle car is.
My name is Charles Casca. This is our 1965 Chevelle. We've had it for a couple years, and we drive a bit, as much as we can.
Where did you pick it up?
We picked it up in Morris.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Good. And was it all like this already to begin with?
Some of it, yeah.
What did you do to it?
Headlights, suspension, gauges, all interior lighting. We did.
So you did all that? You guys did all that?
Yes.
Wow, wow. This car looks like a gem.
We also did a shifter
Nice.
and a tack.
How's the car to drive?
It's pretty cool. It's pretty quick.
So you always volunteer to go get groceries, right?
Always, every time.
So the paint's great.
Yes.
You wax it all the time?
Yes, all the time.
What do you use?
We use McGuire's.
See? Cool. Cool, cool. And then what about car shows? Have you won? How many car shows have you been into?
This year so far, we've been into probably about 5.
Cool, cool. And so I understand the last time you were here, you were over there.
Yeah.
And,
I was very young.
But that's
Yes.
cool, that's cool. And then look at this paint. This paint is great, isn't it?
Yes.
I mean, it really makes the car like you don't stand out, aggressive.
Mm-hmm.
That is so neat. That is so neat. And then the car show today. What is it about? It's about getting. This is a big show, huh?
Yes.
And I'm going to take a peek at the interior.
Yes.
Can you open up the door for a moment?
Yep.
This car is super, super clean.
Thanks.
So have you guys had a muscle car before that?
Oh, we had a 57 Chevy, 2-door hardtop, red and white.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Can we take a look at the engine?
Yep.
That is sweet. Okay, so what are we looking at here? What do we have?
It's a 350 made into a 383 stroker. It's about 450 to 500 horsepower.
Wow.
Yeah.
This thing looks like it's brand new, like it was put in yesterday, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Wow. How's it? Do you know how much torque? By
No.
chance?
That we do not know.
Okay.
Sure.
And it purrs like a kitten, huh?
Very.
That is so nice. That is so nice. And then so who has more miles on it? You or your
Me.
parents?
It turns out probably.
That's cool. That's cool. That is so neat. And then, what is the CFM on that carb?
800.
Is it? Wow. Okay. That is so cool. That is so cool. So you did the headlights there.
Yep.
All right.
And we did the fuel system and carburetor.
Okay.
And the spacer.
There you go.
Also put a radiator in
And
change the fluid.
there you go. And what do we have here? We have.
That's a fuel regulator.
Okay. It's always on high, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Tell your parents to look at the camera for a moment.
Hey, Mom.
You gotta say wave or something.
Oh.
Right? Cool,
Yes.
cool,
Thanks for watching.
US Classic Muscle Cars would like to know what kind of exhaust that you use.